Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make toffee apples without corn syrup. First, gather your ingredients. You will need about 6 to 8 medium apples, 300 grams of granulated sugar, 125 milliliters of water, and 1 teaspoon of white vinegar. Also, have 50 grams of unsalted butter and 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract ready. Ensure your apples are clean and completely dry for the best toffee adhesion. Now, let's create the delicious toffee. In a heavy-bottomed saucepan, combine your 300 grams of granulated sugar, 125 milliliters of water, and 1 teaspoon of white vinegar. Stir this mixture over medium heat until all the sugar crystals have completely dissolved. Once it begins to boil, stop stirring. Allow it to cook undisturbed until a candy thermometer reads exactly 295 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the hard crack stage. Once your toffee reaches the perfect temperature, immediately remove the saucepan from the heat. Quickly but carefully, stir in the 50 grams of unsalted butter and 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Now, it's time to dip your apples. Hold each apple by its stick and immerse it into the warm toffee, rotating to achieve a smooth, even coating. Allow any excess toffee to drip back into the pan before placing the apple on parchment paper. After dipping, place your toffee apples onto a sheet of parchment paper to cool. It's crucial to let them set completely at room temperature, which usually takes about 30 minutes. As they cool, the toffee will harden into a wonderfully crisp and shiny shell. These delightful treats are best enjoyed within 1 or 2 days. Now you have perfectly homemade toffee apples, crafted without any corn syrup, ready to savor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.